In this video, I will share with you Top 5 Best Slow Cookers in 2024. Number 1. All-Clad 7-quart Slow Cooker with Aluminum Insert. This is the Cadillac of slow cookers. Sleek design, hefty build, and a gorgeous brushed aluminum insert scream quality, the browning sear function is a game-changer, allowing you to skip the stovetop and achieve perfectly caramelized meats right in the pot. Cooking was even and consistent, resulting in fall-apart tender roasts and flavorful stews. However, the price tag is hefty, and the aluminum insert, while beautiful, requires extra care when cleaning. Experience. I whipped up a Moroccan lamb tagine in this beauty, and the results were restaurant-worthy. The sear function delivered a gorgeous crust on the lamb, and the slow cook cycle yielded melt-in-your-mouth perfection. Cleaning the insert took a bit more elbow grease than usual, but the end result was worth it. Number 2. Calphalon Digital Sauté Slow Cooker. This mid-range option boasts a sleek digital display and a non-stick insert for easy cleanup. The sauté function allows for browning and simmering before slow cooking, adding versatility. However, the non-stick insert might raise concerns for some, and the temperature control could be more precise. Experience. I tried a creamy chicken chili in this cooker, and the sauté function was perfect for browning the sausage and vegetables. The chili cooked evenly, but I did find myself wishing for slightly more control over the temperature. Cleaning the non-stick insert was a breeze. Number 3. Instant Pot Electric Precision Dutch Oven. This multi-cooker powerhouse goes beyond slow cooking, offering pressure cooking, sautéing, and even yogurt making. The stainless steel inner pot is durable and easy to clean, and the digital controls are intuitive. However, the pressure cooker functionality might intimidate some, and the larger size might not be ideal for smaller kitchens. Experience. I made a hearty beef bourguignon in the Instant Pot, opting for the slow cooker function. The meat was incredibly tender, and the vegetables retained their texture beautifully. The pressure cooker option is tempting for faster meals, but I stuck to the slow cooker setting for a more traditional experience. Number 4. Wolf Gourmet Multifunction Cooker. This high-end beauty boasts a cast-iron inner pot for superior heat retention and even cooking. The multiple cooking functions, including searing, simmering, and baking, make it a versatile kitchen tool. However, the price tag is eye-watering, and the large size might not be practical for everyday use. Experience. I roasted a whole chicken in this cooker, and the cast iron pot delivered perfectly crispy skin and juicy meat. The multiple functions are impressive, but I question if I'd utilize them enough to justify the cost. Number 5. GreenPan Premier Stainless Steel Slow Cooker. This eco-friendly option features a ceramic insert free of harmful chemicals and a sleek stainless steel exterior. The programmable settings are user-friendly, and the size is perfect for smaller households. However, the lack of a sear function might limit some recipes, and the ceramic insert requires careful cleaning. Experience. I made a lentil soup in this cooker, and the results were delicious and healthy. The ceramic insert cooked the lentils evenly, and the programmable settings made it a breeze to set and forget. Cleaning the insert required a bit more attention than stainless steel, but the eco-friendly aspect is a plus.